The world of AI is moving at lightning speed, and it's not just about getting smarter, it's about becoming more like us. We're talking about AI systems that can reason, learn on the fly, and even work on their own. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's happening right now. And today, we're diving deep into 4 groundbreaking developments from the biggest names in tech that are completely reshaping the future of artificial intelligence. From Google's revolutionary learning methods to ByteDance's army of AI agents, you're about to see how AI is evolving from a simple tool into a true collaborator. So what's the big secret behind making AI that can actually think and adapt? Let's start with Google. Google's researchers are tackling one of the biggest challenges in AI: how to make it learn like a human. You see, when we learn something new, we don't just memorize facts, we update our existing beliefs. If you try a new restaurant and love it, you'll probably go back, right? You've updated your belief about that restaurant based on new evidence. Traditional AI doesn't really work that way. Most models are trained once on a massive dataset and that's it. They're static. If they encounter something new, they often get stuck or make mistakes. They can't adapt to you, the user, in real time. But Google is changing the game with something called the Bayesian learning approach. It sounds complicated, but the core idea is beautiful. It's based on Bayesian probability, a branch of math that's all about updating your beliefs as you get more information. Instead of being a one-and-done deal, these AI models are designed to learn continuously, every single time they interact with you. Think of it like a conversation. The AI makes a suggestion, you give feedback, and the AI instantly learns from your response, refining its understanding of what you want. It's a dynamic, interactive loop. So how does this work in the real world? Imagine you're using an AI to help you plan a vacation. A standard AI might just spit out a generic itinerary based on what most people like. But a Bayesian AI would start by suggesting a few things, maybe a mix of popular tourist spots and some hidden gems. Then, based on which ones you show interest in, it immediately refines its recommendations. If you click on adventure tours, it learns you're a thrill seeker and starts suggesting more hiking, ziplining, and less museum hopping. It's constantly updating its model of you. The results from Google's research are stunning. They tested these Bayesian models against standard static models in a series of tasks, like helping users choose items from a menu or find the perfect movie. The Bayesian models consistently outperformed the old ones. They were better at predicting what users wanted and adapted much more quickly to individual preferences. This is a massive leap forward. It means we are moving towards AI that feels less like a rigid program and more like a helpful, intuitive assistant that actually gets you. This continuous learning is the key to creating truly personalized and intelligent systems that can grow and evolve alongside us. Now, powerful AI is great, but what if you could have it right in your pocket running on your phone without needing a constant internet connection? That's been a huge hurdle. Most advanced AI models are so massive and power-hungry that they have to run on giant servers in the cloud. Your phone just sends a request and waits for a response. This can be slow, raises privacy concerns because your data is being sent elsewhere, and obviously it doesn't work if you're offline. That's where our next big development comes in. Google has been working to solve this with a new engine called LiteRT. This is the successor to the widely used TensorFlow Lite, and it's a total game changer for on-device AI. LiteRT is designed from the ground up to make AI models run faster and more efficiently directly on your phone, your smart speaker, or any other edge device. The goal is to bring the power of the cloud right down to the palm of your hand. How does it achieve this? By being incredibly smart about using the hardware that's already in your phone. Modern smartphones have specialized chips for different tasks. There's the main CPU, a GPU for graphics, and often an NPU, or neural processing unit, specifically designed for AI tasks. LiteRT is an expert at orchestrating these components. It can intelligently split up an AI model and run different parts on the best chip for the job all at the same time. This parallel processing is what makes it so fast. The performance gains are huge. Google's tests show that LiteRT delivers up to 1.4 times faster GPU inference compared to the old system. And it's even better at using those specialized NPUs, leading to massive speed boosts and lower battery consumption. Think about the possibilities. Real-time language translation that works instantly, even on an airplane. Camera apps that can apply complex filters and effects without any lag. Smart assistants that respond immediately because they're not waiting for a server halfway across the world. This is what LiteRT enables. By making on-device AI more powerful and efficient, it reduces our reliance on the cloud, improves privacy, and unlocks a whole new category of applications that need to be fast, responsive, and always available. It's a critical step towards making AI a seamless part of our everyday lives, not just something we connect to. So we have AI that learns continuously and runs on our devices. What's next? How about an AI that can manage its own projects from start to finish? That's where things get really interesting. We're moving from AI as a tool to AI as an autonomous agent. And ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, is leading the charge with a new open source framework called DeerFlow. Think of DeerFlow not as a single AI, but as a manager for a team of AI agents. It's a system designed to tackle complex, multi-step projects that would normally require a whole team of people. Here's how it works. You give DeerFlow a high-level goal like, research the market for electric bikes and build me a simple website to sell them. DeerFlow 2.0, the latest version, then breaks this huge task down into smaller, manageable subtasks. It then assigns these tasks to different specialized AI agents. There might be a researcher agent that scours the web for market data, a writer agent that synthesizes that research into a report, a coder agent that writes the website's code, and a tester agent that checks for bugs. The magic of DeerFlow is how it coordinates all of these agents. It acts like a project manager, ensuring each agent does its part, passing information between them and making sure they all work together towards the final goal. For example, the researcher agent would hand its findings to the writer agent, which would then create content for the coder agent to put on the website. This whole process happens inside a secure, isolated environment, which is crucial. It means the AI agents can't just go rogue and start messing with your computer. They have a safe sandbox to work in. ByteDance has made DeerFlow open source, which is a huge deal. It means developers all over the world can use it, improve it, and build their own teams of autonomous AI agents. We're talking about AI that can conduct scientific research, write complex software, manage marketing campaigns, and so much more, all with minimal human supervision. This is the dawn of the AI workforce, a future where complex projects are executed by coordinated teams of intelligent agents. It's a powerful vision, but it also raises an important question. How do we make sure these autonomous AI workers are safe and secure? That brings us to our final and perhaps most critical development. As we start deploying these powerful autonomous AI agents, these AI workers into businesses, the stakes get incredibly high. You can't just let an AI have free reign over your company, its sensitive data or critical systems. The potential for mistakes or even malicious use is enormous. We need a new layer of security and management built specifically for this new AI workforce. And that's exactly what Nvidia is building with a platform called NemoClaw. Nvidia, best known for its powerful GPUs that train most of the world's AI models, is now thinking about the next step, deployment. NemoClaw is a security-focused platform designed to help companies safely deploy and manage AI agents at scale. The claw in the name is a great visual. It stands for checkpoints, guardrails, and auditing for LLM workflows. It's all about control. Checkpoints allow you to save the state of an AI agent and roll back if something goes wrong. Guardrails are a set of rules that prevent the AI from performing dangerous or forbidden actions, like deleting important files or sharing private data. And auditing provides a complete log of everything the AI does, so you can always go back and review its actions. One of the most interesting things about NemoClaw is that Nvidia plans to make it chip-agnostic. That means you won't necessarily need to run it on Nvidia's own hardware. This is a smart move, as it allows companies to use the best chips for the job, whether they come from Nvidia, Intel, or someone else. It positions NemoClaw as a universal management layer for the coming wave of AI workers. It's essentially the HR and IT security department for your future AI employees. It ensures they're doing their jobs correctly, staying within the rules, and not causing any trouble. This is a crucial piece of the puzzle. Without robust safety and security platforms like NemoClaw, the dream of autonomous AI agents could quickly turn into a nightmare. By providing the tools to manage, control, and audit these systems, Nvidia is building the trust and confidence that businesses will need to adopt this technology. So there you have it. From Google making AI learn like a human, to LiteRT putting that AI on your phone, to ByteDance creating teams of AI agents, and Nvidia building the security to manage them all. These 4 developments aren't just small steps. They are giant leaps that together paint a clear picture of our AI-powered future. A future where AI is more personal, more accessible, more autonomous, and most importantly, more trustworthy. The age of intelligent collaborators is here. Thanks so much for watching. What do you think is the most exciting development? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of tech, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.